Riteish Deshmukh. He is an Indian actor, comedian, television presenter, film producer and director. He has a net worth around $17 million equal to 135 crore rupees. And in this video, I am discussing about the new car collection of Riteish Deshmukh. Then let's get it on. Number 1. BMW iX. It costs around 1.16 crore rupees. It is an electric vehicle which can travel up to 425 km on single charge. The car has top speed of 200 km per hour and can accelerate from 0 to 100 km in 6.1 seconds. Number 2. Old model Land Rover Range Rover Vogue SE, which cost around 1.06 crore rupees. The car has 3.6 liter V8 engine which offers top speed of 210 km per hour and can accelerate from 0 to 100 km in 7.6 seconds. Number 3. Audi Q7, which costs around 87.70 lakh rupees. The car has 4.2 liter V8 engine which offers top speed of 242 km per hour and can accelerate from 0 to 100 km in 6.4 seconds. Number 4. Toyota Fortuner Legender, which costs around 42.05 lakh rupees. The car has 2.8 liter 4-cylinder diesel engine which offers top speed of 176 km per hour and can accelerate from 0 to 100 km in 9.8 seconds. And guys, which car do you like most in Riteish Deshmukh car collection? Please comment down below. Today's video like target is only 1000 likes, so please click the like button. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and share the video.